I'm going to wind up this first spool into a coil using this bizarrely janky contraption here. It's not perfectly wound by any stretch of the imagination, but it's reused wire, and you know, I'm not that hung up on efficiency. It's the end of the world. Who gives a shit, you know? The first spool ran out about halfway through making this coil, and now we're going to attach another spool to this one. First, sandpaper the end. Then we're gonna take the next spool and sandpaper the lead on this one. Take the two sandpapered ends and wind them together. Then we put it in the jaws of life over here and solder away. Please don't use my technique as the basis for your own, because I have almost no idea what I'm doing. So I want to make sure we got a good connection before I wind the whole coil up. Yeah, it's good. Put a little tape on it too, you know, to insulate it. Look at this. Look. God, what a mess. Again, this is not precision work here. You know, it's experimental, reusing little bits of wire to pull out of transformers and shit. You know, it's like, it'll work. It's good enough. But it is chunky as shit, though, let's face it. I mean, wow. I'm gonna work on it. Maybe if I fix it up enough, we'll do a little video, whatever. You get the idea. Yep, not making it up. We reached the end of that piece of wire, but there's still more on the spool. So I'm gonna do the whole thing again, because I want to fill up this whole coil. Maybe it's silly, but wire is expensive, and copper takes a lot to extract, very impactful on the environment. And I was able to reuse a bunch of scraps to make a whole coil, and it did go to the landfill and all that kind of shit. So whoopie-doo, there it is. Drop in a little bit of crazy glue like you normally would, you know. And you end up with this dandy little coil. Woohoo! Isn't that cool? Yeah, I started making these cardboard bobbins. I might do a vid on that sometime. And to make sure it actually works, we're gonna mount it on this thing. So laugh all you want, but this is sort of a generator type deal. What we're gonna do is mount this here, try it out. Right now it's plugged into just that one coil. We're gonna see what kind of voltage we get. It's not turning that fast. I'm not even trying. We're getting about 1/4 volt out of it. Oh, and then as far as the amps go, let's make sure that's doing something. Yeah. Not a huge amount of amperage, but it's not spinning very fast, really. But it does work. So, you know, just so you know, if you have a bunch of scrap wire, you can figure out a way to use it. Yeah, real professional. Real professional. I have no idea what I'm doing.